Okay, so now I've started a project and I'm going to fill it. Now it's a dinner with about half a dozen of us, so I'm going to be more elaborate just to show you all of our modules. But you can imagine if it was something more intensive, like organizing a conference or a major meeting or media production effort, that it could be more involved. So here are our modules. The media module already has the logo we uploaded. I also actually prepared I prepared these three images from an AI app. I don't remember which one actually. I think Stable Diffusion, and I downloaded a video. So I'm going to put some photos and videos up on our media module, and there are those AI images, and the video should follow shortly. There's the video. So media presents really nicely in the environment. I can click through from item to item. If I click this play triangle down here, it'll put it into carousel play mode, and it'll automatically cycle from item to item. I can also click to skip ahead, and let's get that video up. Okay, so that's the media module with a couple things added there. Next, alphabetically, in terms of what I want to show, I'm going to go to the events module. And let's say that I just know that like maybe, so this is when our project starts, if you watch the last video, maybe for an hour drinks before. And if I knew exactly where I was going to have it, I could put that in here as a location. In this case, I'm going to work, that's some of what we'll do in this project. So that'll be for an hour beforehand, and then I will also add the dinner itself. And let's say that that's going to start at 7. And I guess that will run for the rest of the evening. So instead of duration, I'll go ahead and go on the end time and say that I know that that's going to run from 7 to 9:30. And then I can invite people, but again, like I'm going to come back and do those things basically later in another video. So I'm going to save those couple of events. So there's a couple of things in our events module. I'm going to upload some files. So I actually downloaded a file earlier, so I can upload this restaurant guide PDF. And I'm going to also add a cloud file. Hopefully I can, oh, here we go. Here it is. Cool. So I've created this Google Doc and made it openly accessible. So now I've copied the share link to it, and I'm going to click to add another file and say that one is a cloud document. So this works with Dropbox, etc. So I'm going to put in that share URL, and it will look up and show me the name of the file. And then I will save it, and we'll have a couple things in our files module. I promise it's going to do that. Come on. Click save. All right, there we go. Eating restrictions. So yeah, I can click through to get to this Google Doc, or I can look up the PDF. And what other modules do we have here? I'm going to go to the task module and just say, again, I'll assign this task later when I have people in my project, but I do know that I want to know on the, on the day of, and not at the end of our project, but let's say I want to know by 9:30 a.m., just to know who's expected. And then I can assign it to people. I can fill in further descriptions. If it's a task that happens in a place, I could add a location as well. And finally, I'll go to our web module, and I will add a web page. I'm going to add the There.app web page because I don't have any Las Vegas web page top of mind right now. So let's see how it does on that. Oh, nice. So it grabs an image. I can modify any of these things. Oh, we don't have a web page description. It would pull down the web page description. So now I've basically filled in about a little bit more than half of my modules with some appointments, some files, photos and videos. Oh, I can add another place on the map. I'm going to be largely at the Las Vegas. There's a places module. It already had Las Vegas because when I built the project, I said that was where the project's headquarters is. But now I'm also going to indicate that convention center is relevant to our project. So now that will fill in, it'll pull the Street View image from Google Maps in a moment, and at that point we'll have the majority of our modules filled in, and there will be another video showing more.